This is a hot lad, and he's trying to seduce you in French. Oui, sacré ou, sacré ou, And this is a fine-looking babe, and she's trying to sing the hook of a hit pop song. I want tell me why. Now here are the 4 seasons. Not the American pop rock band, but the actual 4 seasons of nature. Thank you. Winter, spring, summer, autumn.
Super awesome maker show.
Oh my gosh! You got to appreciate the changes of nature. Ooh, bravo! Bravo! Karunapala is angry because his favorite coquetry of his estate is not picking up the phone. Hello! Hello! Pick up the bloody phone, you fuck! Hey! This is Karunapala offering some money to his favorite cow, Ratta, in order to make a good deal. This is for Karunapala's son's ordinary level exam. This is for his daughter's advanced level exam. This is his entire family tree. Yeah, literally. This is Karunapala, having an existential crisis, probably questioning his last orgasm and wondering about his next life. Hence we call it Sansari. Commercial break!
The 3 boundaries that have been hit, a very good indication that this could be a high-scoring game.
This is Karunapala waving at you. Hi. As a human being, he knows that he matters. He believes that he is part of nature. Wave now. Wave. Wave at Karunapala. You know you matter. Here are a couple of trees who couldn't answer your phone calls. You could have picked up the bloody phone, you fucking weird-looking tall green fucks. And remember Ratta? Yeah, this is him now. Oh, fuck! I didn't assume the cow's gender. Nature is bloody complicated, man. For fuck's sake.
Nil ahas tale age na wala hulu lasanai pura hande ras vihedila.